Welcome to Skip to Malou, Cooking with a Filipino Accent. My name is Malou Perez-Nievera. Today's episode is requested by Stephen Chong. And Stephen writes, "Hello Ma'am Malou, suggestion ko po na mag-feature din kayo ng breakfast dishes such as tosilog, long silog, sinangag, etc. Thanks po." Hi Stephen! Salamat sa suggestion mo. So for those of you who are not familiar with what silogs are, it comes from si, which is sinangag, that's the fried rice, and log comes from the itlog, which is the egg. You add a protein, for instance, we have tapa, so it becomes tapsilog. With longganisa, long silog. Serve it with tocino, it becomes tosilog. Get the drift? But anyways, what I'd like you to focus on is what we're doing today, which is tapsilog. Come on, join me the next few minutes as I share with you my 10-minute no babad tapsilog. So, tara let's mga bagets. This recipe was brought to you by Connecting the Pots. Yep, that's my cookbook. If you want to buy a copy, you could get it from Amazon, or if you want a signed one at shop.skiptomalou.net. And please, I hope you have subscribed. I'm lucky that in our store we have beef tapa slices like this. They're thinly sliced, so it's perfect for tapsilog. I said this is no babad, right? First thing we want to do is put a little sear on our beef tapa. It's about 1 tablespoon of oil. All we need to do is just put our beef slices right there. No nothing, just the beef. No salt, no pepper, no nothing. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna season it as we go. Remember, we have 10 minutes. So what we're gonna do is ask Google to set the timer. Hey Google, set the timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
After a minute or so, let's flip it. We just want a little crust to form there. Meanwhile, since we are on a 10-minute quick fire challenge, let's simultaneously cook the eggs. Then let's add the salt and pepper right there. And since we're in the salt and pepper department, let's do that also with our tapa. Let's put that on the side because we want to put our garlic in. So I'm just pressing some garlic, and I love garlic. Every Filipino loves of garlic like that. I can smell the garlic. We put our oyster sauce, then soy sauce, the liquid seasoning. Smells so good. Brown sugar. You could add more if you want to, but since I'm adding Sprite, then 1 tablespoon is enough. At this point, what we want to do is just reduce the sauce and let it caramelize a bit. And our tapa is done. See how fast that is? It's not even 10 minutes yet, guys. So we just wait. Meanwhile, since our eggs are done, see the edges? That's the way I like it. Now I'm working on our garlic because we will need this for the topping of our tapa, and that's another component that will make our tapa so good. And also for our sinangag rice. So this is my freshly cooked rice. This is garlic rice on the fly. And normally if you make this into a fried rice, the tendency is for it to be mushy. So what I'm just doing is scooping some rice and turn it into garlic rice magic. And we do that by just adding the toasted garlic that we just made and then toss it together, a little salt, and voila, this is sinangag magic. Hey Google, how many more minutes?
You've got 2 minutes and 27 seconds remaining.
Don't you love Google? Okay, so now our tapa looks shimmering. The edges are starting to char, which is what we want, and we're done. Hey Google, how many more minutes?
1 minute and 16 seconds left.
That's enough time for us to plate it. Tara, let's. I want to slice it a bit, so I'm using scissors to do that. Now quickly, let's make a side of cucumber, onions, and tomatoes. Pour some vinegar and fish sauce. Then let's sprinkle a little sugar in here, and then also chili garlic. to give that zing. Then pour it over our ensalada de tomate, and we're done. Now you could serve it family style, like so. Or if you want to be fancy, plate it. It's so good. It's tangy because of the vinegar, salty because of all the soy and the salt, and then it's sweet. So there you go, Stephen. I hope you have enjoyed this segment and learned something. To everyone, thank you for watching. Hanggang sa muli. This is Malou saying, that's a wrap! Bye!